Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and today I've got a very special 1966 GMC C1500 for you. It's done in a really pretty blue. This is a classic color for these trucks with the white top. This truck is supporting some really cool things like a frame-off restoration, a 383 crate engine, and a 700 R4 transmission, which gives you 4 speeds with an overdrive. This truck has got a ton of custom things that we're going to be going over, but we're going to go ahead and start up front like we typically do. Check out the front end of this truck. Like I said, it was a frame-off restoration, so it's very high-end done. Everything's been touched on this, nut and bolt. You can tell that your bumper here is fresh. You got a fresh silver metallic paint on there. Your headlights are new. Even your grille pieces are new here as well. Another really cool custom piece is the dual color GMC logo up front there. It looks really cool, kind of ties in all the colors here. All your body line and gaps on this truck are in really good condition. They're nice and even all the way across. The gentleman that built this truck did an excellent job on it. The paint looks flawless on this truck. No fish eyes or anything like that. No major dents or anything like that as well. Overall, a very, very nice truck. Another thing that I want to point out here, you do have your 15-inch truck rally wheels with your beauty rings around the side here. Just give you a nice classic look. But I like the detail here on your center caps where they did the blue GMC in there. It just kind of ties in the rest of the truck and definitely stands out. All your chrome, your drip rails, everything on this truck is literally brand new, guys. This is better than it was probably when it rolled off the showroom floor, but overall very nice. I always like to open up these doors to show you guys that they shut and they're nice and even. They're not sagging or anything. Your gas cap is in great condition. Your gas cap or your gas tank is still behind the seat on this truck. Your cab corners look good, no issues there. The step side bed is in excellent condition. All your body lines are nice and crisp. No major imperfections. Like I said, this truck's basically brand new. You also have a really nice oak wood bed in the back as well, and it looks fantastic. As we work our way around the back here, all your hardware here for the tailgate, your tail lights and your marker lights back here are brand new. All your hardware on your bumpers are brand new. The frame was completely painted a gloss black, so everything underneath the truck is in really good condition as well. And I really like the white border here with the GMC logo on the back. It ties in the white on the roof. Overall, just a fantastic truck, guys. But let's go ahead and work our way back up front so I can show you the crate motor underneath the hood. All right, guys, check out this beautiful engine bay. I really like the attention to detail on this engine bay. I like how they did the firewall in a gloss blue. It's nice and clean. They also did the black tubs here that really just tie in with other features inside the engine bay, such as the booster and brake master cylinder there. You do have power brakes on this truck. And let's talk about this engine a little bit here. Take a look at that. You've got the valve covers, the block, and the breather all done in Chevy orange. And you got a lot of chrome on this one too that really gives it that really nice appearance. You've got the chrome AC compressor, chrome alternator with the billet brackets holding it on there. Everything in here looks brand new. All the bolts, everything that you look at doesn't have any dirt, doesn't have any rust, anything like that on it. This thing is top notch. This thing is super clean. You could take this to any car show and you pop the hood here, you're gonna win it no matter what. Overall, very, very clean. This is a 383 crate engine, so it's brand new, guys. Well, not brand new, but it is a new engine. It's not a rebuilt or anything like that. Has very little miles on it, but overall, very clean underneath the engine bay, and a ton of detail and a ton of work went into this engine bay to make it look like this, guys. But let's go ahead and work our way to the interior because there's some special features in there. Wow, guys, check out this interior on this GMC here. It's absolutely beautiful. You got a custom bench seat here. One thing that stands out as soon as you look at the seat, you do see this GMC logo here embroidered in the seat. The skin here is from a cow. It's super nice, super cool custom touch here. You do have a custom wood grain steering wheel. Your dash is done in like a gold metallic as well as the rest of the cab here. You've got some custom Dolphin white face gauges. You've got a tilt column here with some billet accessories on it. Overall, very, very nice. You do have a custom box there, center console, whatever you'd like to call it, with some cup holders and speakers. Another thing is your door panels are all freshly done too and look really nice. You've got some nice GMC kick panels down here that just give it a nice little touch. But overall, very clean and sanitary interior here, but not a whole lot to talk about as far as a bunch of technology. The builder here kept it nice and simple, which will also keep it timeless. But let's go ahead and take this one for a drive. All right, guys, we're out driving in the GMC, guys, and this thing drives like a brand new truck. The steering is very tight on it. The brakes feel good, and this 383 stroker gives you plenty of power under the hood. The 700R4 transmission shifts perfect. It's nice and firm. You can tell that it can definitely handle the power of this 383 stroker, but overall a fantastic truck. Not only does it look good, but it drives amazing, guys. Like I was saying earlier, all your gauges are working. I'm running about 1,500 RPMs here, running about 40 miles an hour. That's one of the benefits of the 700R4 is you can cruise this thing with the 4 gears and the overdrive. You got plenty of gear there to drive and do what you need to do. Overall, the suspension feels very nice on this truck. You know, like I said, it was a frame off nut and bolt, so all the bushings and all the suspension components were redone when this truck was torn down. But overall, just a great driving truck. Handles great. No rattles or anything in the interior here. You know, typically with these old trucks, you will get some rattles and some air noise coming in through the wing windows, but with everything being pretty much brand new, go ahead and merge out in the traffic. But overall, just a fantastic truck. The builder did an excellent job on this one, and this would make a great addition to your collection if you're a collector, or if you're someone out there just looking for a nice little street truck to drive around and look good while doing it. This would be a great one for you. Everything is brand new on this truck, so it needs nothing. It just needs you to get in it and drive it and enjoy it. But overall, just a fantastic truck. We're going to go ahead and head back to the shop, put this one up on the lift so I can show you how nice the bottom side of this truck is. All right, guys, we're back here at the dealership. We got the GMC up on the lift, and as you can tell, this is an amazing truck. We'll start up front here. You can see your frame horns are in excellent condition. There's no signs of the truck being wrecked or them being bent. Everything on this truck as far as suspension, steering components, shocks, everything, guys, is brand new. This truck was tore down completely and had a nut and bolt restoration, guys. And if Justin will just show some of the details, like here on the transmission pan, the engine oil pan here, everything is brand new on this truck. All your fuel lines are ran nice and tight in the frame here. Your drive shaft has been painted in a gloss black. Your transmission cross member is a tubular one, and it's all done in a gloss black. All your floor pans are painted in that pretty blue, and it just looks fantastic. No signs of any rust underneath here. Overall, just a fantastic build in excellent condition. You do have that 700R4 transmission here with that aftermarket transmission pan there that just looks really slick under here. You've got dual exhaust with an H pipe here, ran all the way back, true dual, all the way back, guys, and dumped out on each side of the truck here. You've got a nice, clean 12-bolt rear end back here as well. All your leaf springs look in excellent condition. Brand new shocks. I mean, guys, everything under here is just absolutely amazing. Just an absolutely beautiful build that has had a ton of time put into it. If you guys are interested in this truck, give us a call at 770-738-7111. And if you'd like to see all the detailed pictures that we have on our website, go to collectiblemotor.com, click inventory, scroll down till you see this beautiful truck, and you can read the description and view all the pictures that we have on this truck. But guys, if you like content like this, please subscribe to the channel. We've noticed on our YouTube that a lot of you guys are not subscribed. So if you guys are coming back watching a lot of our videos, go ahead and just hit that subscribe button. You'll get notifications when we put out cool car content. Like today, we just dropped a video on all our new arrivals that just came in. So you guys don't want to miss that content. So subscribe, hit the bell notification, and turn that on so you guys can get notified when we come out with new car content. If you guys are interested in any of the merch we have, like the hats we have, and we do have some really cool t-shirts, let Justin zoom in on that. You can also go to our website at collectiblemotor.com. On the top right-hand side, we got a merch little button there you can click on, and you can order directly from the website, guys. But we're going to go ahead and wrap up this video. We hope you enjoyed. Leave us a comment down at the bottom, and we'll catch you on the next one.